Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through a nifty and easy to use loyal customer rate calculator. You can check out this calculator from the link in the description. Allow me to help you understand two input variables which are required to calculate your loyal customer rate. So first variable is number of loyal customers in 365 days, which refers to total number of customers who have made repeat purchase within the last year, indicating their loyalty to your brand. A loyal customer typically returns to make consistent purchases, or if they have signed up for subscription based services, demonstrating trust and satisfaction with your services. Number of unique customers within the same timeline, that is 365 days, counts the total number of distinct customers who have made at least one purchase in the past 1 year, which provides a broader view of your customer base. So let's look up with an example. Let's assume that over the past year, your business had 300 loyal customers who made repeat purchases or have signed up for your subscription services, and you've had 1000 unique customers in total. So simply input 1000, hit calculate. You get your loyal customer rate of zero point 0.3, which means 30% of your unique customers were loyal customers. So brands use actually this metric to calculate benchmark of their industry leaders, performance against their industry leaders. And if their loyalty rates are significantly lower, it might indicate the need for improved customer engagement services. And usually, if a brand has a higher product return rate and low loyal customer rate, it may need to address product quality or customer expectations. So, Apple apparently ranked first in its brand loyalty, surpassing Amazon, which had held that position for several years. Apple boasts of remarkable customer retention rate of over 90%. This means vast majority of iPhone users are likely to stick with the brand for the next device, showing their strong emotional connection and their trust with the product. So you can track this metric of loyal customer rate alongside your product return rate and retention rate and churn rate to gain a comprehensive view of your customer dynamics, their satisfaction, retention rate, allowing you to make a more strategic decision to foster long term customer relationships. So, you can check out this calculator from the link in the description below and also look up for other important calculators, which is retention rate and churn rate calculators and product return rate calculators by visiting upgrowth.in. From resources, you can access the calculator section, which will direct you to multiple calculators that our website has hosted. I'll also be linking these calculators in the link in the description, or you can simply look up for, let's say, these calculators on search engine. So simply you have to input query product return rate calculator, and on SERP you see we are ranking on top for it. In similar fashion, you can look up for customer retention and churn rate calculator. You see we are again ranking on SERP for it. So do try out these calculators to get a comprehensive overview of your customer dynamics. And if you're looking for a growth partner, book a consultation with a growth marketing specialist. Don't forget to subscribe for more such tips and tools to help you optimize your online presence. Thanks for tuning in.